of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If speed had been 8 kilometers per hour is less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Let's recall. A train travels at a distance of 480 kilometers. It's traveled 480 kilometers. Train traveled 480 kilometers at a uniform speed, at the same speed. If the speed had 8 kilometers per hour is less, if the speed is reduced by 8 kilometers per hour, then it had taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So 480 kilometers it's travel. For how much time it is travel? Some certain point of time it is travel. But if it had taken 8 kilometers per hour less speed, if it is the speed of 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find out, we need to formulate this quadratic equation in terms of speed of the train. So here we don't know the speed of the train. Let speed of train be x, speed of the train be x. So time taken to cover 480 kilometers is time is equals to, we know the formula is distance by speed distance. The distance we know that distance is 480 kilometers. Speed we don't know. We have taken the speed of the train be x. So speed is x. So time taken to travel 480 kilometers is 480 by x. Here is the first situation, and the speed had been 8 kilometers less. If speed is decreased by 8 kilometers, then it would have taken 3 hours more. First situation, we got 480 by x. It will travel within the time limit, that is distance by speed. Distance is 480 kilometers. And speed we don't know. We have taken as x, 480 by x. If the speed is decreased by 8 kilometers, if speed is decreased by 8 kilometers per hour, so speed we have taken x kilometers, the speed is decreased by 8 kilometers per hour, then this is the time we have taken, then it will be 3 hours more to travel the same distance. So it will take here, the speed of the train is decreased by 8 kilometers, then it will take more time to travel than this situation. So to balance this situation will take, it is taking 3 hours more, so plus 3. Now the equation will be balanced on both the sides, because time is equals to distance by speed. Distance by speed, here is the situation, 8 kilometers is less, so it will take more time. So to balance this situation, we need to take plus 3 here on right hand side. So both the situations will equal. So here we got 480 by x minus 8 equals to 480 by x plus 3. Now let us take this equation and simplify this. 480 by x minus 8 us transpose this to left hand side. It becomes minus 480 by x equals to 3. We transpose this value to left hand side. It became minus 480 by x. Now we can take this 480 common. So we get 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x equals to 3. We have taken 480 common. So we get 1 by x minus 8. 1 will be left over here. 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x equals to 3. So let us take this in the bracket. We'll take the LCM for this, x minus 8 into x. When we have taken LCM for this, we'll get x into 1, x minus x minus 8 in the bracket. X into 1, x minus 1 into x minus 8 is x minus 8. The denominator, x minus 8 into x. So 480 into here, multiply with minus into x, minus into minus, plus 8 divided by x minus 8 into x equals to 3. So we have taken here in the numerator, minus x plus x get cancelled. 480, 8 by x minus 8 into x is equals to 3. So we get here 480 into 8 by x minus 8 into x is equals to 3. Let us multiply with this. 480 into 8 divided by x into x is x square. X into 8 is 8x equals to 3. So 480 into 8 equals to 3 into x square minus 8x. We have taken this denominator to right hand side. It changes to multiplication. X square minus 8 is transposed to right hand side. It changes to multiplication. Now let us cancel 3 table on both the sides of the equation. So it becomes, this is 1 time it is cancelled, and this 160 times it is cancelled. So we get 160 into 8 equals to x square minus 8x. Here we'll multiply these two numbers and we get 128 and 0, that is 1280 equals to x square minus 8x. Let us transpose this to right hand side. It becomes x square minus 8x minus 1280 equals to 0. Here it is the quadratic equation which is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c.